Hi guys, I'm back and we are going to look at our preparation for the month of March. Yes, month of March. So let's do a quick recap here for the month of February. So we use these 4 sketches and you've got January. So we're going to zoom through these quickly. And then you've got that half page. And I did explain in the previous video, I did change this and I used a Cricut cut. So if you want to do this in a Cricut cut, you just have to cut it at 8 inches to match your page. And I've got all my journaling at the back. And then here's my completed February. So that was a lot of fun. I've got my last picture here. And again, I mimicked the end of my month if you want, so I kind of did the same thing and I added my journaling back here. So let's move on to the month of March, and I've got 4 new sketches for you guys, and I'm really liking trying to find innovative ways to do these layouts. So here you've got 4 new sketches that we're going to be attacking in the month of March. And I'm not going to go through my bin again, but I did pull this stamp set to kind of add a little bit to that half page. I felt that it was a little bit bland, so I added a little bit of details at the back. Let's see if you can see it here. Just a tiny little bit, just to give it a little bit more oomph. So I did pull this one because, you know, I loved it. I bought it and I loved it. I am still using this guy here for the weeks of the month. I really like this one. And my background, you will notice that I used it again. So these are going to be done in a similar fashion. So I stamped it here. I stamped it on this page right here. So that's going to be a theme that's going to repeat itself. So if you have a good background that you like, that's a good idea for you to have. So these are old. This is new. So I really do like these stamps because they've got a lot of images and I end up using quite a bit of them. So I do like them a lot. And the months, you've got 2 sizes every time. You've got a couple of cute words, borders. So they've done a really good job with these ones. So let's talk about this find. Okay, guys, I actually squealed when I found this bag. I'm like, yes, yes, yes. So I want to do something with green because March, you know, St. Patty's, and okay, so it's fern green. It's not, you know, the Kelly green or whatever. So look at this stash that I have here. I ended up buying a few of these kits because I made a baby book for a friend. So I had a lot of these. Too bad Easter is not in March, but he's pretty cute. So we're probably going to use him. But look at all of this. I was so excited when I found this bag. I was like, oh my God, this is going to be great for March. We've got a few flowers and I've got some green going on. There's still some pink and that's fine. But a full sheet of green like this was totally meant to be. And then I've got all this really pretty floral and this wood grain that is super good. So you know what? I was so excited to pull this bag. And I think that I'll be able to create something pretty fun for the month of March. Don't forget, you probably are going to need a few flip-flops, so you've got those. And, you know, every time I find a little bracket, I kind of put it in my bag now. So this is the preparation for this month. So because it's going to be getting into spring, and I know here it takes a little bit longer, but we are going to have at one point, we're going to need some green, right, for St. Patty's. So look at your stash, look at your green papers, your cardstock, and let's get started with the month of March. See you all later. If you're enjoying this project, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you'd like to see the entire playlist for the month of January and February, click this link right here.